I'm making a sloppy Joe pork recipe. I'm kind of picking up from my video of yesterday how to make pork neck bone stock. So what am I doing today? Thought of another way of using all the meat besides which I mentioned on yesterday's video. Mince up the meat with a knife. If you use a Cuisinart, it might mash it too much. So I'm going to mix all of this up, which was a pound from the bones, and then carrots, celery, onions. People put peppers. I'm not doing that today. Tomato sauce, garlic. Then I have mustard, Lea and Perrins, and a little barbecue sauce. So we're going to saute the vegetables, throw in the beef, throw in the sauce, mix it up, and it's done. Okay, now we're going to saute the onions, nice and fine. Celery, carrots. You don't have to, if you just want to put onions and peppers, that's fine. But I'm doing this combination because I like these flavors. And that's my minced up garlic in olive oil, made ahead of time, put into the freezer, and take it out whenever I need it. So we'll let this go moderate flame. That'll take about maybe 10 minutes, and we'll come back and look at it. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. And I found peppers, so I have peppers mixed in there and everything else. All you got to do is put it in there. And there's plenty of fat on that meat, so this won't be dry. Like, you know, when you chew on a piece of beef stew, you chew the flavor out, and what's left in your mouth but dry meat. Now I'm adjusting the amount of the barbecue, the Worcestershire, as I go, because I don't want this too wet, I don't want it too dry. When you squeeze on that bun, you don't want this to be oozing out. Now we're going to put salt. This is the difficult part for most people. So we'll start off with a teaspoon. And we'll get the taste out of this. And you see how mushy but not pureed it is? So I figured I put the right amount of liquid type ingredients like the barbecue, the tomato, the Worcestershire, and the mustard to allow this to cling. See? Okay, we don't have to watch this right now. We're just going to let it simmer there for a little bit. I just want to get a close-up of this so you can see, you should be able to see it's shiny because of the fat content, which also gives it a nice flavor. So there we go. Done. You put that on a sandwich, it'll stay. Hope you enjoy. So I'm going to have mine. I'm going to put some sliced tomato on it and some lettuce, and that's my sloppy joe. And this. Enjoy.